What is up, guys? Welcome back to theGOPROist. My name is Michael, and this is my custom PC build series. Alrighty, guys, so this is where we left off last episode. We have the motherboard installed. I did a bunch of cable management, put some zip ties in the back. I'm not going to spin around the case because it makes that awful scratching noise on this desk. So, right now we are going to install the... Let's install the CPU cooler. So you've already seen me put together this, or install it into the case. So I'm not going to show you that. I'm just going to get it done, and then we'll pop right back to install the actual pump over the processor. Okay, there we go. We have the radiator installed back on the case. So now we get to install the actual pump. So let's grab the parts and the instructions. Let's read it real quick. Okay, so we've got the thermal paste already set on there, so that's nice. Now, don't really want to mess this up. So we now have our, excuse my reach. We now have our CPU cooler installed already, so I've routed the cables where I want to plug them in. And up at the top, there's two CPU fan plugs, which is great, because I need one for the actual pump itself, and then one, well, there's actually two fans, but it's got a Y connector, so you only need one header on there. So I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to plug this into CPU fan. And there we go, that's our water cooler installed. Okay, we've installed our water cooler. Now we get to do some more fun, cool installing. Let's find it here. RAM time. Okay, so you always check your motherboard or your motherboard manual for installing RAM. Here it says recommended memory configurations. If you're doing 2, you put it into A2 and B2. So there's a little diagram here, A2, B2, these are the two blue ones, as shown also in the thing, they're the lighter ones. So we're now going to carefully open up. Okay, they're going to be installed like so. So you're going to line it up and push it in. And you push it and it will clip in. You'll hear it clip. And that one's good. I'll take our other one. Put it there. Push. Click. Click. We now have our RAM installed. We can move this back however we want. Awesome. And now finally, guys, we have our video card to install. So let's put this in here. Kind of dust everything off. Pop this baby open. video card installed now. We're going to power it. Try to down that cord a little bit. And there we go. That is our video card installed. They're very wiggly, so you don't want to hit them or anything.